Guys, for those of you who are trying or planning to buy a machine and don't know which one to go with, well, this is my sewing machine and this is what I use in making most of my sewings. The manual is just for when there's no light, and this one is when there is light. I always work with it when there's light because it goes fast, it gives me everything. So if you're looking for a very good sewing machine that you can buy, then this one is definitely the one you should try. Firstly, let us go into how to on this sewing machine. Now this is the side of the machine, and you can see that there's a switch there. That is where the on-in switch is, and you can see the plug switch. You can plug and you can plug out and you can plug in through this hole, and here you can switch the machine on or off. So now let's switch on this machine. Now I'm switching on the machine. The machine is on, and you can see number 1 there. This sewing has 100 stitches and also have some the letters of the alphabet and the number 1 to 9, so you can be able to sew any kind of numbers or the alphabet. And now if you want to change this switch, then you can come here and keep pressing 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to increase it fast, you can do something like this. That's 16. So if you want to decrease, then you can come here to minus. This is the minus, this is the plus sign, this is the minus. You come here and minus, or this is the minus and this is the add or the plus. So with that, let us move to how this sewing or how this machine can do the sewing. Let me get a piece of fabric. Now this is the start button here, and then this is the to take up the needle. When you're done, you can click this. Then to reverse a stitch, this is where you click. Now let us go into practice of how to sew on this machine. You drop your lever and then you press here, and that's how the sewing starts. If you want it to go this slow, you can go this slow. If you want it to go this fast, you can go this fast. If you want it to go faster than that, you can go that fast. And that's how to sew on this sewing machine. The things that you get in this machine when you buy it is your you can see that this is not here, it's in a pack they'll give you. Then these are the accessories. You can use 2 threads at a time on this machine, and then you can come here and find your bobbin. They'll give you about 4 of it, 4 bobbins. And here is where you can save all the other things that you want to have your machine holding for you. And I think that's about it. You have the needles, you can buy your needles. You have your spoon holder, your thread holder, which is a spoon that helps you to hold on to the thread so that it's firm and okay. This is where you can change your thread tension. The tension of this machine is where you can change it and increase. Like when you want to do your gathers, I guess the gathers is done with this last one. And then if you want to just make a straight, then number 1, number 2 can do that for you. So I guess that this video is going to help whoever wants to buy a new machine to buy a machine. This machine is number 1 in my own. I'm using it and I can testify that the machine is very good. This is around 8 years since I bought this machine and it's still looking as clean as this. Stitches you can find on this machine, it has about 100 stitches and alphabets and then letters that you can use to make any kind of writing you want. And
thank you for watching.